Ooh, don't want to play this guy. He's 1800, man. So I'm the new guy. So let's go to adapt. No, beginner, right? I beat Merton already. I beat Alani. No, I beat Aaron. Wow, I beat all these guys. I'm an intermediate player. Come on. Amir. All right, Amir. What does this mean? Friendly hints and takebacks allowed. No help of any kind. Whatever. Celine, my kids think I'm a grandmaster. Don't tell them otherwise. I thought you were a grandmaster too. You're 1000, man. So what's the opening move? Did I press record? Hold on. Yeah, we're recording. All right. He's gonna copy me. This is what I won with last time. So I'm using the same move. Ooh. He's bringing out the big guns. All right, I'm bringing out the horsies. My spidey sense is tingling. Wow, he's a little bit better than the other. I'll trade the horse. Take my pawn. I mean my horse. Dang. He ain't messing around, huh? Vicious. He's vicious. Get these pawns out of here. They're making me nervous. Why would he do that? You know I'm gonna kill your pawn. He's trying to set something up. So if I eat that, what's the end game? What is the end? I gotta eat it. Making me nervous. He's protecting the king. Is that what's up? Check. Check to His Majesty. All right. Oh man. I think I'm gonna get destroyed. I'm a little bit nervous. You know what? You do all that check-in. I'm just gonna go over here and take out your queen. It's not going well for me. Okay. If you want to sacrifice your queen, that's good for me. What? This guy's 1000. He is harder. I can feel the stress. Feels pretty good compared to the other dude that I was playing there. Okay, I'm getting this guy out of here. I don't want to lose my my bishop. Flee to safety, my friend. How do I get this? This horse has pinned me down. This horsey has pinned me down. Gosh, how do I get rid of this thing? Get out of here. All right. Oh, man. Okay, get out of here, man. Flee. All right, I gotta get my queen out of here. Do some damage. Go around, slap some jaws. Damn it! She got my queen. Oh. I feel pain. I feel pain. How kind of you. Yeah. I never played a 1000 before. Now come over here and do that. Come down. Come on down. Check it. Let's move this pawn forward, get him out of the way so I can attack. I can do that too, you know. Check! That's a check there, mate. Well, it's not a check, mate. What? Very stealthy. I don't like that. I don't like that rook over there. It's making me really nervous. Can I do one of those, what? I thought I could do like 2 spaces over and then the rook guy comes over. What? All right, I gotta get my king out of here now. What do I do? Where's the manual? I gotta read the manual. I don't know what to do. Well, he's gonna kill that guy, so. What? Why would you do that? Oh, man. I am not good at... Ooh. Oh, yeah, he can't go diagonally. That's right. This is going well for me. And it's all fun and games. Until... Let's just get out of here. He's irritating me over in that corner. Like a pestilent. Why would you sacrifice him? You were winning. 1,000, now you're 900. You lose. I don't want. I didn't think that one through now, did I? A pawn's gonna put me in check. What is happening? All right, let's quit fooling around with these guys. Go ahead, eat them. I don't. Ooh. Do I want to take him out? I'm gonna take out the pawn. Go ahead, hit me. Ooh. Why did you do that? I thought this guy was like the champion, man. This guy is not the champion. Why would you do that? He's gonna eat my bishop, but I cannot allow this. And if it goes down there, he's gonna eat my pawn. I cannot allow any of my pieces to be taken. How do I check him? Check! What you gonna do when I come for you, bad boys, bad boys? I'll eat them one by one. One by one. Whew. I'm feeling the pressure. He's got that he's earned that 1,000 level. I think we're pretty evenly matched. So so he's gonna eat my. Okay. I'm going to D5. Start talking like the real chess people. Oh, you're going to a G4. Well, not if I can help it. Oh, what do I do? Man, my brain hurts. I can feel the smoke building up inside my skull. All right, let's just get this started. Come on, come out, you chicken. Let's go. Let's just do this. Bring it. Bring it. You are checked. You are checked. You know, sound very impressive. Now what? I didn't think it through. Okay, let's just go back. Let's go back. He's gonna move his rook down. I knew it. You butt. We got the same pieces, except for he's got. Oh, I got one extra guy, so I have the advantage. Come on. I just got to play this right. If I check him, he can go left or right. Let's just check him here. Keep the pressure on. No! Why? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that. Now what am I gonna do? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Check. What you gonna do when I come for you, bad boys? Yeah, you stay on the green, man, where you're safe. I don't know what to do. He's got me. He's got me. Coming for your king. One more move. I got him. How come I can't go in front of him? I'll take him out then. Oh, no, what do you mean? Why is it a draw? What?